Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Space Observatory, I can't say that word, on Bloxburg. So the starting point is from the campsite. I hope you watched that video before this because I'm too lazy to just go from the main street. I'm also just going to shortcut it. But if you want to follow the road, just go forward and go down. But I feel like this is a little bit faster, so I'm just going to go here to the right and go into this tunnel. So, okay, let me just drive. So once you've reached this point, you're just going to park, and there is the Space Observatory. There's not much that you can do. Okay, let me just park in the actual parking spot. I'm just doing this really quick. And here it is. I'm not going to show the inside so you guys can explore it yourself, but here is the Bloxburg Observatory. You can ask the guy questions here and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it. This is the observatory if you want to explore it a little bit more. There's not much, but it's pretty cool, I guess. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!